going to bring it back closer to home now, talking about that forecast. Brett, most of East Texas is under a flood watch at this hour.
You still have a chance for some heavy rain tonight. I know it hasn't rained a whole lot so far, but we are not out of the woods yet. Let's take a look at the counties under the flood watch. This goes until 1 o'clock tomorrow. It's essentially the eastern half of East Texas. So Gregg County is included in that. Rusk, Nacogdoches County, also Marion and Harrison, on down through Panola and Shelby County into deep East Texas, parts of Sabine and also San Augustine County. Light rain in a couple of embedded areas where it gets a little bit heavier, but it's really just the start of this. The upper low has been very slow to move to the north, and it will as we head through the night tonight. So rain will continue off and on, and maybe even a little heavier cluster at times just to the east of Palestine, lifting northward west of Gallatin near Rusk right now. And we have this heavier thunderstorm near Hemphill that will rotate into Louisiana. So the whole thing is pivoting around this area of low pressure. You can see the moisture surging to the north. This will pivot to the north and then pivot back to the west. This is going to be an unusual storm to watch. Typically, we watch our weather come in from the west to the southeast or northwest to the southeast. This will be a situation where it comes in from the south and moves from the east back to the west as this upper low moves overhead. Mother's Day forecast right now for Sunday. We do have a chance for some scattered showers and thunderstorms in the forecast with highs in the mid 80s, but it all hinges on this storm system here and how much farther to the east this blocking high pressure system allows that storm system to move. Saturday right now, we're sitting right on the doorstep. So Tyler could see a couple of scattered showers and thunderstorms early Saturday. But if that storm backs up a little bit to the west, Mother's Day may end up drier than what we have right now. As for tomorrow, there's a chance for morning showers and thunderstorms, cloud cover, and temperatures ranging from the mid-70s in our eastern counties to mid-80s at Tyler and Longview, lower 80s at Longview and Henderson, and then mid-80s down over parts of deep East Texas. The one thing it will be, warm and humid. And then Friday afternoon, it's up to 90 with sunshine. In fact, right now, Friday looks like just a 20% chance of rain. And here's what I mean by that storm system. Look at this. Storm system tries to knock up right up into the viewing area, makes it almost to Linden and then falls apart. But the heaviest rain just stays to the west of East Texas through Saturday morning. I will update this and run this out through Saturday at 1 p.m. coming up tonight at 6. So a 50% chance of rain tomorrow morning, 20% chance of rain Friday, a 50% chance of rain right now on Saturday. So some of us will see rain, just may not be all that heavy. Sunday, a 40% chance of rain. Monday, there's a front coming through. Tuesday, with a 20% chance of rain, it will feel less humid. Not necessarily not humid, just not as humid as it is right now. So rainfall totals are switching around a little bit. Instead of looking at 4 to 5 inches of rainfall, we may only see 1 to 2 inches of rainfall across the area, with the heaviest rain back to the west. Look at Waco, around 4.5 inches of rain. And that is because of that storm system shifting farther and farther to the west. All right, tomorrow morning you'll wake up. Temperatures could be around 66 degrees. In Tyler, 68 in Longview. We'll have rain, rumbles of thunder, and some southeast winds about 10 miles an hour. Heavy rain will be possible overnight tonight into the first part of the day tomorrow. Otherwise, the bus stops, some of you will have rain at your morning bus stop. Still a chance, recess 77, then gray and muggy for the ride home with temperatures around 82 degrees. Here's your Baylor Scott & White Texas Spine and Joint Hospital 7-day forecast. So after the morning rain and thunderstorms tomorrow, we'll clear out up to 84 degrees with a south wind. It's breezy and humid and likely dry Friday. Widely scattered showers and a few thunderstorms Saturday. Later in the day, Sunday, maybe a few showers and thunderstorms, some scattered storms on Monday, and then it all starts to clear out by Tuesday. Not as humid, a high of 81, and some isolated thunderstorms possible on Wednesday. Again, coming up tonight at 6, we'll play out future skycasts and show you just how far to the east that rain makes it on Saturday.